Hi everyone, welcome to Stamp Variant on Collection tutorial. Today I will show how to customize your setting per collection and manage your variants in advance. So let's continue. First of all, I have a sky collection that shows many colors as variant in it. But what I want to do, I want to customize the collection. I want to show like a specific colors, not all colors. And I want to show some variants in the first row. So how I can do that? First of all, I'm going back to the variants on collection app, and I'm on the general settings. So this is the sky collection, and there is one setting button which is advanced setting. I'm clicking on it, and it loads the settings for sky collection. So first of all, I want to show only the color as a separate variant. Save it. And I want to show product. Yes, I can show like this. I want to customize the title here as well. So let's check it. I'm coming here, refresh the page. As you can see, I show the product title and variant title like this. But I also want to filter the variants, like for example, the option filter first. I want to filter by the variant title, contains. I want to show black and gray. And what color I can show? Let me see. There is another gray. And brown for sure. Brown. And see. I think that's enough. Yeah, I only want to show 3 colors here. And I'm saving it. And coming to the page and refresh the page. As you can see, it shows only the black, black, only the black, brown, gray, black, brown. And those are regular product. They don't have any variant in it. And go to the back. So I want to show, for example, Brooklyn fleece black in the first row. And I want to show cotton dress brown the second, and also I want to show woman pants black as the third row. So the first row variant will be Brooklyn fleece black, second cotton dress brown, and third one woman's pants black. So I save it. I refresh the page. So as you can see, Brooklyn fleece is black is the first, cotton dress brown is the second, and woman pants black is the third one. So in that case, you can filter your variants, you can sort your variants. Also, you can hide specific variant. For example, I want to hide Brooklyn fleece. I just hide it, save it. And when I refresh the page, I won't see the Brooklyn fleece. As you can see, it's gone. So you can manage in advance your variants on the collection page, which is super easy. You can also customize the setting. For example, you can mix the variants in for this collection. You can hide out of stock product or variants for this collection. You can do what you want. We have many filters actually. For example, you can create Black Friday collection. You can show only discounted variants. You can also add, for example, show variant which has more than 5% discount. In that case, your customer can see which variant has more discount in the collection. So you can vary it how you want. So it's pretty easy. You can easily manage your variant with the advanced setting. So that's all. Thank you for watching.